Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best women's tees trending right now, the AUTOMET summer tops for women. These short-sleeve shirts are designed not only for comfort but also to keep you stylish during your beach vacations, spring outings, or casual everyday wear. The first thing you'll notice about these tees is the fabric composition, which is a blend of 82% polyester, 12% rayon, and 6% spandex. This combination makes the shirt lightweight, breathable, and skin-friendly, ensuring that it's comfortable to wear even on the hottest days. The material has just the right amount of stretch, giving you freedom of movement without losing shape over time. The design is simple yet elegant, featuring a classic round neck and short sleeves. This basic style is a wardrobe staple, making it easy to pair with a variety of bottoms, whether it's lounge shorts, jeans, sweatpants, or casual trousers. The pure color options make it versatile enough to dress up or down depending on your mood and occasion. What sets this tee apart is its attention to detail. The fabric is soft and feels gentle against the skin, which is perfect for those who prioritize comfort but don't want to sacrifice style. Plus, it holds up well after multiple washes, retaining both its color and shape, making it a durable addition to your closet. This tee is available in a range of sizes, including plus sizes, which means it caters to a broad audience and embraces inclusivity. It's a perfect pick if you're looking for something that fits true to size, feels breathable, and offers a flattering fit without being too tight or too loose. The ease of care is another major plus. You can simply machine wash it without worrying about damage or fading, which is essential for anyone with a busy lifestyle. The pull-on closure adds to the convenience, so no fussing with buttons or zippers here. To sum it up, the AUTOMET summer tops for women combine comfort, style, and practicality in a way that makes them one of the best tees on the market right now. Whether you're heading to the beach, running errands, or just relaxing at home, these shirts are designed to keep you looking good and feeling great. If you're interested in a tee that checks all the boxes for fabric quality, fit, and versatility, the AUTOMET summer tops should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews of trending products. See you next time.